Hello, my dear friends. Namaskar. My name is Suresh Srimali. Welcome to Astro and Numero with Srimali, your one stop destination for astrology and numerology. I hope you all are doing well. Take care of your family and loved ones. Do not go out unless and until it is necessary. I am always available on this channel to solve your problems. This video is one short video of May month horoscope for all 12 zodiac signs. Monthly predictions will be about the different areas of life such as profession, money, love and relationship and health also. Let's see the overview of month May. In this month May, there are many events like we have Workers' Day, that is International Labor Day, World Laughter Day, Mother's Day. Well, every day should be treated as Mother's Day. They are really, especially to each of us. Let's move ahead. We also have World Athletics Day, International Nurses Day, Anti Tobacco Day, and many more. Now let's move to transits. 4th May, we have Venus transit in Taurus. On 14th of May, Sun transit in Taurus. 23rd May, Saturn change. 26th May, Mercury transit in Gemini. And 28th May, Venus transit in Gemini. My dear friends, it's time to move on to the monthly zodiac prediction for your zodiac sign. Let's start with fire, that is Aries. Business professionals may face some loss during this month. Income will little bit increase, but sometimes there will be interruptions. Do not panic. Higher officials will support you at the workplace. There is a possibility of getting promotion in the job as well. There will be an atmosphere of peace and happiness in the family. There is a strong possibility of having an auspicious work in the family. You will get all kinds of support from the family. If you are interested in marriage, then you may get married. Both love and arranged marriage are possible. You should avoid hangout with your spouse. It is going to be good for your married life too. Now let's move to Bull, that is Taurus. Wealth gains, fame, respect, and honor will be achieved in business. Foreign franchisee of your business is possible. Try to take special decision between 4th May to 13th of May. If you deal with gold, silver, or electronics, you will have no time to relax. All those pursuing higher education will be very well and will also get scholarships. For students who are going to appear for competitive exams, the results will be very good. Students will be interested in studies and will learn new skills. You will work very hard to reach your targets and goals. Your physical and mental health or mentality will be affected. You may feel lazy. Misunderstandings in your marital life will get resolved and love will grow. Now let's move to twins, that is Gemini. Your financial situation seems really good, but some disputes may cause you harm. Starting new business or expanding business in both the ease will be auspicious. Students will get distracted due to lack of concentration. Students are advised to stay focused. If you want to relocate for job from native place, then this decision will become turning point for you. Your status in society will increase and due to this your professional growth would take place. Family or love life becomes more complicated due to your behavior. You may face some health related issues, so take special care of your health. You should avoid any personal or professional trips. Now let's move to Crab, that is Cancer. In May month, business persons associated with the business of hotel, restaurants, bar owners, travel agents will not be able to earn good profit. Be careful about the decision you make regarding government work. You need to soften your tone with colleagues to avoid differences during the mid of May month. Expenses will rise, but a pending task since long time will be done. Unemployed are expected to get employed. Engineering student will focus more on their projects. May month is good for students pursuing diploma or course in foreign languages. Be careful of money matters, especially while traveling, else you may have to suffer losses. No serious health issues are likely to happen, and minor ones can be taken care of by medical health. Now let's move to line that is Leo. You should avoid making any kind of investments. You will increase your efforts and work hard to achieve success in life. During this time, you will also spend money to pursue any of your interest. Students preparing for examination will get good success. Time is going to be very good for your married life. And if your spouse is working, then they can get some big news before 25th of May. A new relationship may start in your life, but you are advised to think about it. It is not auspicious time for your health, so do yoga or meditation regularly. You should avoid any trips with family and friends. Now let's move to Earth, that is Virgo. There can be sudden money gains as well as expenses will also increase. Your work will be interrupted, due to which the mind will remain restless. Be calm, be positive, and find a solution to your problems. Avoid hasty tasks at the workplace. Hasty actions can get you into trouble. Online business will reach new heights. Student, artists, and players should not let the mental stress dominate themselves. You may deposit your money to control your expenses. Religious and spiritual thoughts will increase. Your father's or grandfather's health may deteriorate. A new guest may arrive in your family. That is, you may get child happiness. You will need to pay special attention to your health. Now let's move to skills, that is Libra. Superiors will be helpful in your tasks at the workplace. Financially, you will be able to increase your sources of income. This is a beneficial time for investment related decisions. People involved in import or export business will not earn good profit. Your fortune your fortune will support you, and the tasks that were stuck in life will start to happen now. The hard work and efforts you have made till date will now give you fair returns and will lead you on the path of success in life. You will get special support from people, and you will move forward on the strength of your karmas. Your mind will be engaged in religious activities. Now let's move to Scorpio, that is Scorpio. It would be good for those who want to start a fashionable or fabric clothing business. You can also fulfill your dream of having a new home or car for yourself at this time. You can be successful in achieving a lot of progress in your field of work. Your expenses may increase unintentionally after 3rd of May. Your leadership qualities will grow, and you will be good at getting the task accomplished with your good managing skills. You will be more into socializing and will have fun around with your friends. Your romantic life can be expected to be very luxurious. Relations with your family will be very good. Now let's move to Archer, that is Sagittarius. Your business will be blessed with a big deal resulting in good profit. Because of your positive thinking, you will come in contact with good and high profile people. Engineering or management students can expect good results. Students studying abroad or higher education are expected to face some issues. Results of government job exams will not be in your favor, so do more. Long running family disputes will get resolved, especially after 2nd of May. You will get support from family or friends and also get some good news. You will be healthier and more fit than before, which will make you happy and satisfied. You are advised to not travel in the north direction. Even if you have to travel, eat jaggery and then leave your house. Now let's move to goat, that is Capricorn. If your project or work is stuck somewhere, you will be able to continue it again. The students will have better concentration and their learning skills will improve. There are also chances of financial loss. You are expected to get special benefits from a foreign source or female friends. Communication skills can prove to be the key of your success. There can be good opportunities for the people who want to influence their love. You can bring yoga and meditation in your lifestyle to tackle the same. Your family life will be normal and you will able to spend a good time with your close ones. Now let's move to water, that is Aquarius. Business persons will face challenges in business, but smart strategy will change the situation. Avoid investing in travel, leather, food, hotel, education, or industries, especially between 15th May to 27th of May. Maintain a good relationship with your business partner and trust them. Students will get success in examination because of your intelligent mind. You will develop interest in new work. Love and affection will rise with your partner. Religious and spiritual thoughts will increase. You will become a role model, your friends, because of your achievements. Now let's move to fish, that is Pisces. There may be sudden new changes at work, which will be in your favor. The communication skills of the artist will be very strong and you will be able to impress people easily. The time is particularly auspicious for working traders. A favorable situation for business growth will develop. This time is suitable for learning a new skill and trying new at home, and you will get a lot of success. There will be a possibility of doing some work in the partnership and it will also beneficial. Your relatives may hurt you or betray you. Be a little cautious. There may be problems in your personal life as well as differences with your spouse or family. There may be a dispute among the brothers regarding the property of the partnership or for other reasons. Religion and spiritual thoughts will grow in your mind. Dear friends, now I am suggesting some remedies. These remedies will help you for your better health and better life in May month. If possible, feed food to poor and needy pupils. Do perform Mahamrityunjay Puja as early as possible. Make the practice of feeding a part of your daily meal to a cow and a dog. This will be cure you from any illness and keep you healthy. Offering water to Lord Shiva on every Monday will be very fruitful. Perform puja to Lord Hanuman on every Tuesday and pray to him for good health. Reading or chant Durga Saptashati mantra relieves from all major health issues. As in this pandemic, we all are in our house. You all can perform these remedies at your place. Spread positivity and happiness among your friends and family. However, this is just a generalized forecast. If you have any personal or professional problems and would like a personalized session, please feel free to contact us via telephonic and video conferencing appointment. You can also WhatsApp us on given number or drop your queries in the comment box. For more astrological solution, you can visit www.grahokakhel.co.in. At the end, all I want to say is, may this month will become key path tracker of your success and create a life you cannot wait to wake up to. Thanks for watching this video. Take care. Namaskar. Bye bye. स्वस्थ शरीर रुद्राक्ष प्रदान करता है, स्वस्थ मन स्फटिक प्रदान करता है और भोलेनाथ की शक्ति अमोघ महामृत्युंजय कवच के साथ इस त्रिशक्ति माला में हमने समाहित की है और आध्यात्मिक साधना सिद्धि केंद्र में इसे निर्मित ही नहीं बल्कि प्राण प्रतिष्ठित भी किया जा रहा है। इस त्रिशक्ति माला से आप अपने जीवन में सुख समृद्धि के साथ साथ स्वस्थ तन और स्वस्थ मन भी पा सकते हैं। आज के इस मानसिक तनाव के युग में आप अपने और अपने परिवार वालों के लिए इस त्रिशक्ति माला को मंगवाकर इसे धारण करिए और इसके बाद आप अपने जीवन में सुख शांति समृद्धि के साथ स्वस्थ तन और स्वस्थ मन भी पा सकते हैं। इस माला को परिवार का कोई भी सदस्य धारण कर सकता है। इसे धारण करने के कोई परहेज नहीं है, बल्कि इसे धारण करके भोलेनाथ का आशीर्वाद हम सबको मिलेगा। आप अपने और अपने परिवार के लिए इस माला को प्राप्त करने के लिए दिए गए नंबर पर संपर्क करके आप मंगवा सकते हैं।